So now let's come to this Mongo part. Actually, I searched, and what we need to do, we need to download this MongoDB server community. And for this, what we need to, you just go to the Google and just type MongoDB community server download, and it will come, it will redirect to this page, right? In Mac OS, we can use Brew install. Otherwise, we can use the zip file also. So just click on this. If you are on Windows, there would be here you can choose actually for Windows, right? It is not showing here, but somewhere it should be, right? Yeah, Windows, here you can see in the down bottom. Cool. So once you click on download, what will it will download here, right? Now after downloading this one, just extract it. Cool. And let's see what are the steps. If you are on Windows, then what you have to do, you have to extract the zip folder, and then inside bin folder there is mongo.exe, right? And one very important thing which we need to do while installing MongoDB is just creating a data/db folder, which is very important. Without it, it would not run, right? So if you are in Windows, just go in the C directory, go there and create a data folder and then db folder, and just keep it, leave it empty. Just create the directory, nothing else. And after that, you start the mongodb.exe by using command. Just you in the command prompt, you can go there and then you can execute it, right? And then path, if extracted somewhere else, yeah, if you are changing some other path, then you have to go there and browse that, right? And after you are done with, you need to open the mongodb shell, which is mongo sh for shell, so mongo shell. Cool. Once you open this mongo sh, this connects to the local server at port 27017 in Windows. Now let's go to the Mac OS. If you are on Mac OS, just like I am on Mac, so what we need to do, we need to browse till here, and then we need to extract it. Here you can see I have extracted it already. And now add bin to your path. Okay, that's not I'm gonna do. So you can just type mongodb bin to our path. Should I add it, or use symbolic links, sudo ln? So sudo symbolic links I'm not going to. Let's do this one then. Let's copy this one and we will do that. Okay, cool. So let me open terminal here. Opening. Where is the terminal, guys? Not here. Here it is. Okay, so let me open a new terminal. Cool. Okay, password I can provide. Okay, so it is now successfully copied into downloads. Then MongoDB macOS. Let's see here, downloads. Then macOS, MongoDB macOS. This one is right. And then it is going to copy it to user local base. So let's see here, cd this. Right now we are in the local bin. Let's see contents ls. There should be Mongo, right? Here you can see MongoD, Mongo S, Mongo sh. So MongoD is the MongoDB server and Mongo sh is the MongoDB shell. These two are very important, and these two we gonna need. And now let's come back to the browser and let's see what it is saying. Create data and log directory. So just copy these two commands and execute them into terminal. So let's gonna do that. Cool. So now we have created this data we can directly cd this also in the home directory, pwd. Yeah, so here you can see we have data, then logs, and data and db. Let's see that also. Just go back to steps. Here you can see in the, let me show, this is present working directory. So present working directory is data, and inside that we have db and log. ls-la, you can so rewrite everything. It is the directory. D is for directory, right? And this rwx, it is for read write execute. Cool guys, so till here we are good. And now let's just run our mongodb server at port 27017. Okay, permissions normally already fine if you created them as your user. Otherwise you have to just provide the, what we call it as permissions. So let's give the permissions. By the way, it doesn't need, because I already logged with my own user. Let's see. Okay, we have given the permissions. You can see there is no difference because already we have already exactly same permissions, right? Apple and stuff, right? Cool. So there's no difference after running this command because we have all the permissions which we need. Now start the MongoDB server. Here you can see run MongoD and point it to your data and log path. So MongoD, you can call this one. So now this MongoDB server is going to be started. Okay, so it will actually be there only. Yeah, so it will start the MongoDB server. What is the problem here? You can see symbol not found, user local bin reference to the, which is a newer built for Mac OS 14.0, which is newer than running OS. Okay, so my operating system is old, right? My Mac OS is not 14 version, I think it is 11. About this Mac OS 2017 one, it is Ventura 13, actually 13.7. It is not Mac OS 14, it is 13.7. So I need to downgrade my MongoDB. So let me go to the downloads website of the MongoDB and download the some older version, right? Okay, so let me go here. Let me go to some older version, maybe 7 release candidate. Let me use 7, maybe this would be working fine for my Mac. Okay, it is downloaded. Let's go to the folder now, extract it. Cool guys, now we need to run everything again. Let me pull it here, actually near the terminal. Okay, so where is our MongoDB? Let me put the Chrome near to this. This is Chrome, right? Cool. So now come again. Here is yeah, it was for macOS. Okay, CD downloads. Then we are going to execute and create this folder, which is already there. Then sudo cp mongodb bin downloads. Okay, so let me delete the older version which is not of use, or let me do one more thing. Let me copy this one. MongoDB Mac OS 7.0. This version is the downgraded version, right? Let me put into the softwares where it is softwares. Yeah. So inside softwares, I'm gonna put it. I don't know why it goes away always. Come here, baby. Cool. So now we are going to do. We are gonna be into this documents folder. Okay. Now we need to copy this, right? From downloads, instead of downloads, what I need to do, I need to go to documents folder because I have everything in documents now. cd/home documents, right? Home ls, where is documents, cd documents, then softwares, then till here it is. Okay. Okay, so let's copy the path. Now it is good. Okay, so let's run this command and let's run this command and see. Oh, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Escape. Okay, it's copying everything. Actually, I want to do this one, right? Let me delete this one so that it would not find, right? These are new one which I don't want to be get existing there. Yeah, now MongoDB. Okay, it will find the MongoDB here. Now this command would work. Forget the documents. Let's do it here. Okay. Okay, there. This we already done this. No need to do that. Okay, now let's run this one. Let's suppose it not say about the older newer version, like my operating system is not supported. I'm waiting for it to run the MongoDB server. Oh, it seems nothing happening. Okay, it is saying leave this terminal window open. When it's ready, you will see a line in, in it and listen, waiting for connections on port 2710. So let's wait if we are able to see that message. Now connect with MongoDB shell. For that, what we need to do, we need to open new window. Let's see. Let me zoom it a little bit and run this. Okay, I'm here in user sample, and where should I be? No, it should be in the downloads, right? So cd downloads, then Mongo, then it's cool. ls cd bin ls mongo sh. So let's start this command mongo sh. Mongo sh, what it is saying, to help improve progress and NVCC data is collected. Cool. Disable this warning, bind IP all. So here again, this server is bound to localhost. Remote services instance will be unable to connect to this server because it is bound to localhost. The bind IP address is to specify which IP address it should serve responses from. Okay, so we are not gonna do something there. Okay, so here you can see we have MongoDB version this and Mongo Shell version 2.4.2. And for any documentation we need to go this one. So here let's see about the server. I hope it is up and running. How to check that? Let's ask the MongoDB shell. How to check if server is running, right? Basically, there should be some logs in the console in the terminal, but I'm not able to see those logs. That's why I am trying to do that. Let's. It is saying in a new terminal Mongo SH if you get a prompt like test and some server input, the test server is looking on this one. So this is we are getting right. Here you can see when we click, we got this connecting to MongoDB at 27017, right? So this is here you can see this test and then this angular bracket. So we are good, I think. We are good. We can do this command also. Let's see if I can execute this one also. Let me open new tab. Turn. Okay, cool guys. So here you can see we have our server running at 27017. Cool. So I think this was all about the MongoDB installation, and in the next video we are gonna see next part of it, like DPU, writing the DPU and then connecting this. So this was all about installation of the MongoDB. I hope it helps. See you in the next video.